Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what you have and why it matters. Dynamic Island is native on Pro models or delivered via apps on other phones. Once you verify model and update iOS, install the Dynamic Island app. Make sure to grant notifications and accessibility permissions when prompted, because that lets the app read alerts and display the floating pill. You'll also free storage and restart the phone now. That avoids permission glitches and speeds initial configuration, so the feature activates cleanly. You now dive into the app's core settings to shape how Dynamic Island behaves. First, pick a layout style and animation intensity so the pill matches your visual taste. Lower intensity saves battery. Then selectively enable notification types, calls, timers, music, navigation, so only useful events appear. Next, position the pill and define tap or long press actions for quick controls. Once done, test each notification type to ensure callbacks and media controls appear as expected and refine any. You finish by testing everything in real conditions. Make a call, play music, start a timer, and run navigation to watch the island react. If animations lag or notifications don't show, make sure notifications and accessibility are still enabled, then toggle them off and on and restart the app. That often clears permission hiccups. If issues persist, update the app and iOS, reinstall the app, or contact the developer. Remember, most problems are permission or update related, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.